Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pak Rahmat Hidayat. I complete the text of self-introduction. Introduction. My name is Muhammad Rizky Fajar Firdaus. I am a human. I am a one eye to news. I am a moment like human in general. I am born in Gresik City on June 5, 2001. My address is Karnojo Village, Manyar District, Gresik City. I am the first child of two siblings. My father name is Muhammad Yunus and my mother Hidayatul Utami. I like computer. Dismantling computers is my daily life, but my hobby is football. I often play futsal, usually playing futsal at night, but now is rare because I now live in the cottage and my friend at home. Then my educational story starts from the park. Start from the playground, Muslim NU Exhibition. I was there. I was taught to write and write, count and count, read and read. Then I continue in Islamic elementary school, Miftahul Huda. I took 6 years of education here. I got 2 trophies because of his report scores, and I started playing football with friends. We are often schooled by teacher for playing football at rest and disturbing other children because we are busy when up playing football. We play soccer. We play football not only at break time, we also play at 7 o'clock at night. When I was accepted at State Junior High School, I got a lot of new friends because at the sub-district level. Here I got friends from various villages. When I was in the 3rd grade, when I was the class leader. When I was the class leader, I did not know what to do. Then I went to studying at the boarding school Bahrul Ulum. At this cottage, I was taught to read sheets and write Picon. Then I was told to memorize Juz Amma, Yasin, Tabarok, Waqiah, and Kafi. And here I study moralism, monotheism, jurisprudence, recitation. My day-to-day cleaning is clean and usually helps participate vulgar. Then after 2 years, I was serving as secretary of the head of the cottage until now. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning to wake up the children. Then I invite the prayers of the Subuh Fajr. After the recite the Quran, after preparing to go to college at 8:30, go to college. Go home at 12. After the Asar recite the yellow book, and then yellow book kitab kuning, and then after Maghrib recite with a teacher or caregiver. After the Isya attend Diniyah Madrasah and the rest. I was at the cottage school also in vocational high school Energy Information Technology, majoring in software engineering. Here I learned how to make a digital program because in my opinion this job will be much sought after. At school, I often sleep because I am tired, so that I am tired not to grounded because I was not doing my final assignment. In the second year, I was apprenticed at PLK Jombang for 1 month. The following one, I was apprenticed in one of the village in Jombang subdistrict, namely Banjar Towo village. After graduate, I continued at Wahab Asbo University, majoring in information system study program. On the Wahab Asbo University, I become the class leader in the information system class and joined the information technology faculty organization. I was the member of the interest and talent development section. I went to school on a bicycle. I borrowed the bicycle my friend. There is a not assignment from the foundation management. I was assigned to record every santri Barul Ulum Islamic boarding school, then input to the application. Sia Barul Ulum continued to use it as card before becoming my card. I'm programmed every child to school, totaling 4,000 photos. Here I coordinated it. There are parts the take picture and the are parts that print the card. Children must fill in the personal data that I share the content of personal data. There are names, address, dates of birth, and many more. In the cottage, I go to court or serve. So my job every day helping the teacher or caregiver. In my day life, I want to apply the pesantren mindset combined with modern mindset. My dream is to become an inventor and founder of digital company. That company itself provides a variety of community needs. The first in the company to make web various boarding school and then make useless application such financial application and notification to child parent that child is done payment. I share a segment for my friend. I release to be inventor and founder of company requires more effort, not just effort but also continuous prayer. Now the situation preventing COVID-19, children go home under the supervision of parents. Is the news from website detik.com. Read. Now situation preventing COVID-19 go home under the supervision of parents. But I do not go home because it is still safe in the hut in the cottage. Safe every day in Chang because the school is closed, right? Activities the college not no pray at dawn and in congregation, then exercise or morning gymnastic, then pray duha in the congregation. The red memories if not watching at a movie together, then praying at duhur, then resting, then praying asar pilgrims after reading wirid rotib aladat, then after maghrib resikil as usual. After the evening isya there is at madrasah diniyah religious school, then there are education. Then there are my edition. Presiden Jokowi Dodo issued Presiden Decree number 12 of 2020 of the decision contained the termination of the status of public health emergency amid the corona pandemic. The decree was signed by Jokowi Tuesday 21 March 2020. Determination of status was based corona on the spread of the coronavirus that extraordinary with a marked number of cases and an increasing number of deaths. That the spread of coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 or COVID-19, which is extraordinary in that marked by the number of cases and or the number of deaths has increased and spread across regions and across countries and has an impact on political, economy, social, cultural, defense and security aspects, as well as the welfare of the people Indonesia, said the consideration in President Decree 11 or 2020. Also read Jokowi explanatory point when establishing health corona related to corona. On that basis, corona decided that coronavirus was a type of the disease that causes public health emergency. Handling of the coronavirus in Indonesia must be done accordance with statutory provisions established coronavirus disease 2021 or COVID-19 as a disease that cause health emergency society. So, the decision in the President Decree establishing coronavirus disease 2021 on or COVID-19 public health emergency in Indonesia with a mandatory countermeasure armed in accordance with statutory provisions. Said the President Decree shall come into force as from the date specified. This is my self-introduction and information from the web detik.com with title of President Jokowi Presidential Content. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.